Yo. What's going on? What's going on? New week. Time to make some money. Hope everyone's well. Hope everyone's weekend was good. Mine was alright. Right, news today. I didn't think there was much news, to be honest. I think I've just seen something that might be of noteworthy. Yeah, there's not much news going on at all today, but I've just seen that we have Trump and some NATO guys speaking at 10 AM. It's obviously going to be something to do with NATO, so it shouldn't be too market moving, but you never know, do you, with Trump. Trump likes to speak about everything except what he's there to speak about, so we shall see, we shall see. Right, I'm going to trade ES today, and this week probably. Trying out something new with volume profile. And I'm going to be trading that exclusively this week. Only on the challenger account, not touching the funders this week. So yeah, it should be an interesting week, hopefully a good one. Had a nice win this morning in an earlier trade. Long in from the week's value area low. Yes, we shall see how it goes. We shall see how it goes. Right. Right, let's have a quick look at the news for the rest of the week. I think it's quite a hectic news week this week. So yeah, nothing today. But tomorrow we have got CPI in the US. People outside to put up my house. CPI in the US. Which is, I'm sure it's normally a Wednesday, isn't it? CPI. So yeah, forecasted to be 0.3%. So anything less than that could be they won't be happy with. PPI on Wednesday. Unemployment claims on Thursday. Yeah, quite a hectic week. And then nothing on Friday, really. Just the usual consumer sentiment thing. Right, we're getting a bit of a push up pre-market, aren't we? Nasdaq's also pushing up. Right, we've got 30 seconds to open. Should we get a poll sorted out? K-Man, hola. Hola. How have you been, K-Man? It's been a good while since I spoke to you. You have a nice weekend? Life treating you good? I'm not really sure on the bias, to be honest. It's a bit of a weird one, isn't it? Yeah, not really sure on my thoughts today. Depends what the market wants to do with Trump's tariff shit, innit? Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are for the session. I think I'm bullish overall. Just don't know if we'll get a oh, that's so scary for. I don't know if we'll get a pullback, you know. I don't know why I haven't got any data. Have a look at the Nasdaq, it's normally a bit better. Right, market's open. Yeah, we seem to be chopping around this level. I think it fully depends on what, yeah, how the market wants to react to Trump's tariff stuff. We had obviously a gap down this morning from the news over the weekend, but we've been pushing up since then, so we could be just filling the gap, then selling off potentially, or we could just blast straight through it. You never know, do you? Knackered, but all good, mate. What about yours? Yes, mate, not too bad. Weekend was good. What did I do? Did I do anything? I think I just chilled out, really. Yeah, I think we just chilled out. Friday was a bit hectic. We had the I had the dentist Friday morning, where they got out a fucking rotary fucking drill on all my teeth. Descaled my teeth. I've never had it done where they literally do every single tooth. Like sometimes they like scrape the back of my front ones, my front and the bottom ones, but yeah, they literally got out a fucking rotary drill and was going at me for about 10 or 15 minutes with a hose pipe and a hoover, and I was trying not to drown the whole time basically. So that was cool. Then we had a midwife appointment later on, and that had a whole fucking palaver with it. Get all the chilling in while you still can, yeah, man. Yeah, the missus has got a gestational diabetes check on Tuesday because she's had her first measurement on Friday. And apparently she's measuring big, but we think the midwife measured her wrong. We're going to have to change the midwife. She's a bit senile. She very often, multiple times in session, will say, did I do this or did I do that? Oh, I think I'm losing my mind. The first time we saw her, we walked in and she was like, can you hear music? And we were like, no. Oh, I'm obviously losing the plot. And we were just like, okay. And yeah, like, there's just lots of things that she says and does that just doesn't fill us with confidence that she is all there, to be honest. And yeah, she measured my missus and in one breath said, oh, you don't look very big, and then was saying that she's weighing more than what she should. And yeah, she said that she's measuring 30 centimeters. I did a YouTube video tutorial when we got back and I measured her, and I measured her at 28 centimeters. which would put her bang on where she's supposed to be at 28 weeks. So yeah, she's not happy that she's got to have this this test done. So many people and they get stuff wrong all the time. Oh yeah, 100%, 100%. But yeah, the missus isn't vibing with her, so we're gonna ask to see if we can change midwife. But yeah, we're going to the test anyway, so that's on Tuesday. So that'll be fun. Yeah, the missus was not happy because yeah, you've got to fast for 12 hours before. You've got to go there, have a blood test done. Then you have to wait there for like 2 hours, 2.5 hours, have another blood test done. And then you can go home. But then after all that, you might be told that you're not allowed to eat McDonald's anymore. Nathan, yo, how you doing, mate? How you doing, fella? I hope your weekend was well. I've butted heads with my share of midwives and nurses, believe me. Yeah, we were googling it, and I think it's quite a common thing in it to not gel with them. Ooh, so no one reckons short today. 57% reckon long, 42% reckon chop. Interesting. Right, we filled that gap. Yes, the gap has been filled from the Asia gap down. So yeah, maybe we sell off from here potentially. That PD value area low there, yes mate, yeah. Yeah, I'm not touching anything with the open. We'll be playing it safe. Come out at 37.5 weeks. That's probably why I'm sure trading need a couple of extra weeks in the oven. Is that how it works, is it? Fucking hell, that's early, isn't it, man? That's early. How you been there, Solly, mate? It's been a little while. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for that previous day. Putting a control touch perfect, yeah. Yeah, nice bounce off value area low, bounce off point of control, then back down to value area low again. When are you going to start trading the open then, Ward? You see what I mean though? What I was saying earlier about the, I think if you're going to try and trade the open, you're going to have to limit order it. Because there's no time for waiting for candle closes or market order, and I don't think, I feel like you just need to limit order in if you're trading in the first sort of 10-15 minutes. Never. Morning, Leo. How you doing, mate? How was your barbecue? I was disappointed to not see any pictures of the meat, to be honest. That's what she said. Market order all the way. I've been destroyed too much. Yeah, no, I get that. I get that. Show me your meat, Leo. Yeah, I want to see pictures of your meat, mate. If you're so focused on growing and eating it, I forgot the balance. If you're so busy eating his meat, you forgot to picture his meat. Oh, I could go all day with this. Sharing his meat around his family. We're simple creatures, yeah, man. That felt like a good easy chuckle. And was 4 beers down. I mean, yeah, that helps with eating meat, doesn't it? Yeah, a bit of a choppy open so far. Come on, 12 viewers, 2 likes. I need some likes for them meat jokes. Come on. Pull your meat out and press the like button. There we go. Now they're coming in. Now they're coming in. It's like if you're streaming instead of show me the money, show me the meat. People think it's the wrong kind of stream, Leo. And the wrong kind of website as well. So yeah, question is, do we sell off from this level back down to previous week value area low, or we push up into point of control and stuff? Yeah, you're a Tradeify guy. Is there any way I can add text aligned on Tradeify? I couldn't see it anywhere on here. I know I could probably just put up a text box, but it's far too much work. And we are pushing down, boys. We are pushing down. Oh, so I haven't really talked about my trade this morning. Took a long off of previous week's value area low. Oh, I've just moved it. Fuck, irritating. Around there somewhere. Yeah, I took a long from here this morning. I was FaceTime my mum at the time. on my phone. I bet she was wondering what the fuck I was looking at. So I'm sat there on my phone talking to her, and then I'm just like this. Probably gone silent because I can't fucking multitask. Yeah, it's going to be a good week this week. I got some drawdown to get out of. What? I was 800-ish down before this winning trade. So I've got a bit of drawdown to get out before I'm back to break even on this test account. We'll get there, we'll get there. Oh, very heavy on the yeah, Nasdaq's looking quite heavy. I feel like ES has been looking strong all day, to be honest. Stronger, sorry, than what Nasdaq has. Don't know how to add text salons. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, be nice, wouldn't it? This is frustrating because I prefer Tradeify so much, like for trading, but it's just there's just like little things that they could do just to make the charts a little bit better. Okay, man, we you know, you were saying about getting all the chill time I can. We worked out. I think we've got 11 Mondays left until the due date. When you're putting it like that, it's getting a bit scary, isn't it? It's coming around quick. 11 Mondays until he's here. Jeez, yeah, man. Oh, I forgot to say, on Saturday we did the a 4D scan as well. That was fucking really cool. Basically get to see what he looks like. Apparently he's got hair as far as the person doing the scan was concerned. I didn't think they could tell, but yeah, apparently he's got hair. Great big ball bag as well. Oh yeah, that was the most important bit. Great big ball bag. That was a record for a big ball bag and a baby. He'd probably take it. Was well proud. Lovely, it's so addictive. Yeah, I can imagine it's easy to get carried away. That'll be our last one though. Into the next one, yeah. Apparently my Willie come up on the scan loud and proud. Taco's wondering what he's walked into. Morning, Taco, mate. Mate, big fucking green bar here. I was thinking shorts before that green bar, yeah, man. It was unexpected, wasn't it? I thought the shorts were confirmed. Doing my top step accounts Friday. Being dumb, I was treating it like a game. Ah, mate. I use your code to buy 4 take profits, bro. Nice one, man. 4. Bloody hell. What, 50k these accounts? Nice, man. Yeah, take it easy on them. Debating whether to try and short previous day of printing control or not. It's a little bit early. Want to sort of wait half hour, but then Trump's also speaking from then as well, so I'm saying if it looks right down to Valerie low, yeah, that's what I was thinking. $25 and $50 are nice, Taco, nice. Yeah, you'll have to let me know what the 25s are like. Never done a 25 one before. The only thing about I thought about the 25 ones is I feel like it's not that much cheaper, considering it's like half the price, half the account size. Do you know what I mean? What's the drawdown on 25? I can't remember. Let me have a look. I mean, Taco, I probably tell you before. Oh wait, it's frozen, man. Drawdown is 1,500. I haven't traded yet though. They didn't activate my account. Still got them Friday. You sure, man? That's unusual. I think you've got to log in to activate it. Have you logged in yet? Yeah, I'm sure it's normally pretty instant. It's instant whenever I've done it. Oh, they give me my account credentials straight away. Yeah, if you log in on your dashboard, and then it should be on the. You should have like it should say 50k account, and where it says like pending, whatever. If you just click on the account, it will open up your like dashboard for that account, and then it should say your Tradeify credentials at the top of the page. And you can just click and copy and paste the login and password. And then I think, yeah, if you log in, it should then activate it, I think. So yeah, have a look, Taco. Have a look, mate. Yeah, it's normally like literally pretty instant. I don't think they really got to do much there, and the ES has made higher highs, Nasdaq hasn't. Traded my top step practice account last week, looking to buy a new eval this week. I might give TakeProfitTrader a crack. Yeah, man, it's definitely worthwhile. I think it's currently actually cheaper than Top Step, especially with the I mean, it was cheaper when they do 30%. They're doing 40% at the minute. If you don't include the activation fee, or if you pass in 1 month, because obviously they don't, the deal that they've got on, that you don't pay activation fee with TakeProfitTrader. So if you end up passing in 1 month, it works out cheaper because the Top Step's like $150 activation fee in it. Unless they pull it up, it always used to be 150. But I've got no complaints with TakeProfitTrader. Some people have said that the support isn't as good. I've never had any issues, but I've only reached out to them like once or twice and they've got back to me like within a day normally. Some people have said that they just don't reply, but I've never had that. But the only thing to be wary of is the intraday drawdown when you get to like the pro level. That's obviously a rule that fucks people over. They have recently removed it for the Pro Plus accounts, so maybe it's in the pipeline to remove it for the Pro accounts. I think if they remove that rule, that would probably put them definitely in good competition with Top Step as one of the best. The thing that puts me off about Top Step now is they're just going so inclusive to themselves. You know what I mean? Like they're forcing you to trade with Top Step X. And don't get me wrong, Top Step X is good, but some people might want to trade various prop firms. And you can't with Top Step X, can you? So you can't copy trade with other prop firms with them. And yeah, I just don't like how they're forcing you to do it. I feel like you should have the choice. It's a bit of a red flag, keeping everything in house. Yeah, man, I feel the same. It's rubbed me up the wrong way when I heard about it. What are we doing today then, man? It's not making its mind up, is it? Yeah, I had an email from Top Step on was it Thursday they were having the issues? I saw that they sort of made it right. If you had a red day, they would wipe it clean. If you had a green day, they would leave it as it was. And I think they were even reinstating blown funded accounts, I think. Which is quite good, because yeah, they had major issues with Top Step X, didn't they? Just freeze them for a good about an hour, I think. But at least they made it right. got to work. Could have been trading. Mate, it's not decent price action anyway. To move away from the affiliate market, yeah, man, I think so. I think so. I just started with them, just partnered with them a few months before, and obviously they dropped me straight away. Then I think they then slowly dropped everyone else off. And yeah, I don't think they do it affiliate market of anyone anymore, other than obviously their people, their boys on Top Step TV. I don't know if they what deal they'll have with them. I don't know if it would be I don't know if they have codes or anything. I don't think they do. They'll just be paid employees, I think. Guys that appear on Trade on Top Step TV. It was at Dakota, and there's quite a few of them in there now. I mean, that's the way they're going with it. I mean, I get the business model behind it, trying to stop obviously paying out affiliates and doing their own digital marketing. Basically, I get the appeal behind it, but I just feel like they will slowly drive away new people, because obviously all the big YouTubers that were obviously on Top Step before are now promoting other prop firms. And yeah, I just feel like they will people will slowly, because people like to watch the big guys, the big people trading, and in turn we'll just slowly move away from Top Step and start trading what the person that they're watching is trading. Do you know what I mean? And yeah, people that are going to YouTube to watch other traders trade, if they're not trading with Top Step, I don't know, I just feel like they might lose sort of new customer base kind of thing. But I don't know, I know very little about business or marketing or anything like that, so yeah, I think they use affiliate markets to marketing to sort of secure themselves in the top position. And once they sort of got themselves in the top position, they dropped everyone and started doing it all in-house as well. Bit of interesting to see how it plays out over the next 5 or so years, maybe. Tommy Capital uploaded the video today talking about how much he may have been affiliated with them. Yeah, I saw that actually. I listened to that when I was at work this morning. 400k was his best month for them. It's insane, isn't it? Absolutely insane. Crazy amounts of money. And I mean, he's not even that big of a YouTuber. He's pretty big now, but he's not even that big of a YouTuber. There's bigger ones, bigger fish than what they're earning, man. I'm sure Patrick Wyland was he posted one from, I think it was Tradeify maybe, because he cut ties with him, didn't he? Because there was some argument, I don't remember what it was about. Yeah, cut ties with him, but posted his monthly payment from them. I'm sure it was like $1 million or something like that, $1 million in a month, and that's just from one prop firm. It's insane amounts of money. Must be raking it, yeah, man. Fair play to him. I think as long as they're being genuine, as long as they're being honest, nothing wrong with it, crack on. What rubs me up the wrong way is the people that are saying they're profitably trading. They're not profitably trading, they're just sim account trading or whatever, and acting like they're getting lots of payouts, but they're actually being funded from the affiliate. Everyone said he refused 100k a month sponsorship from Tradeify. Didn't even have didn't have to do anything, just be friendly to them. Yeah. Yeah, I mean 100k a month sponsorships fuck all really as well, isn't it? What was that for, like sponsored videos, do you think, Leo? And just to trade with them, talking like a few name drops here and there, yeah. And that's it. I mean, how many viewers does he get on his live streams? I'm sure it was like 10,000 or something. Daily viewers on his live stream. That's an insane amount, isn't it? And to be able to trade profitably day in, day out with fucking like 10,000 people watching you. Fair play, man. Fair play. I get fucking 25 in here and I'm sweating. That hasn't happened in a long time. Yeah, the only sort of trade I do I really like the look of at the minute is a push up to point of control and just take a little quick rejection from there. Back down to value area low. Not wanting to trade from value area low at the minute, we're just chopping around it, so. Just be patient and wait for it. I believe we also have Trump speaking now, I think. It's supposed to be at least. Taco, what's your plans with the your new accounts then? You doing 2 at a time or doing them all at once? I know what's happening today. Obviously, Tuesdays is normally our choppy day, isn't it? But we've got CPI tomorrow, so it's unlikely to be choppy tomorrow. So they front run the choppy day. How's your trading going, dude? Mixed bag, to be honest, mate. Mixed bag. Last week I was doing lots of back testing, and I had the most success with volume profile. I had Ward speaking to me. I was lots of DMs back and forth with Ward, and because he trades volume profile. So yeah, I was picking his brains with that, and that went really, really well on the back testing. So I'm doing a week of that on the test account. Not touching the funders this week. Just going to do a week of that and see how this week goes trading it live. And then yeah, start doing it on the funders potentially. What time do you start and finish, by the way? Remember you said you work early. What time do I start and finish work? I start during the week at 3:45ish. Whenever I've got out of bed and got there, basically. I get out of bed about 3:30, 25 to 4. And it only takes a few minutes to get there on the old electric scooter. Yeah, start about 3:45 and I'm finished by 6:15. Home by 6:30. But then I've got the day then to crack on with bits around the house, trade and do whatever else needs doing. And then on the weekend, I work around 6 till 12. Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, the volume profile stuff works quite well because I can just set alerts on TradingView around my levels and just jump on as and when I get an alert. Do you know what I mean? It means I can be doing other stuff, especially like when the baby comes. That'd be really helpful. So if I can make that work long term, that'd be perfect, man. See if I can get my back tests and results up from last week from the volume profile stuff. So I was back testing the month of June. Make it up quickly. So I'm about to do something. And yeah, this is just the back testing for the volume profile. You can't see my heads in the way. So yeah, that's the best back testing results I've had in months. A good fucking long while. So yeah, really happy with that. The only thing is I was trading NQ. And obviously I've decided today to trade ES. I haven't got a fucking bracket order set up on ES, have I, you knobhead? Just realised what I'm doing, you prick. Very nearly got into a long then by mistake. How much you've made from affiliates now? Since I started doing it, like with Top Step, probably a couple of thousand in total with Top Step and TakeProfitTrader. But that's over the course of basically 2 years, year and a half. So, I mean, not bad really, considering I have fuck all subscribers. I got what, 1.7 thousand, I think. What back testing software do you use? I started using TradeDay and I couldn't recommend it enough. Man, it's fucking banging. From someone who has traded, back tested with FX Replay for the entire time I've been trading, like 2 years. Yeah, can't recommend TradeDay enough. So much better than FX Replay. Like, buggy as fuck, FX Replay, innit? Just constant bugs I always found with FX Replay. But yeah, TradeDay is so much better. You do get the odd bug here and there, but it gets a bit glitchy here and there, but for the most part, it's so much better. And obviously, I feel like the data, statistics and stuff that you get is a lot better than FX Replay. And also, you can then link your prop firm account, your live account, funded account, whatever account you've got, you can link up to it as well. So that then syncs automatically with your live trading, and you can check out all the same statistics and stuff on there, which is really cool. I think it's something that's actually worth the $30 odd a month that it is. I'm paying the higher one, the $50 a month, just because you can set up playbooks, which is actually another thing that I really love about it. So a playbook is basically your strategy, so you can have multiple strategies on the go. You can do one back testing session. Oh, hang on, we're in. I've sold any buy. Who's that? I'm just in a trade. Yeah, you can basically have multiple strategies sort of set up in the system, and then as you're back testing a session, you can say, oh, that trade was my EMA strategy, or that trade was my point of control strategy, or trend line strategy, or whatever. So you can trade in multiple strategies throughout a back testing session. You can then go and look at all the individual stats on them individual strategies, which is perfect, you know what I mean? Rather than having to do different back testing sessions and do the same time period for different strategies. Yeah, top notch, man. You can tell how much I'm rambling, how much I love it. Yes, more trill, less crazy spikes, yes. Fingers crossed I have get on the right with it. What dashboard was that? Are you using what, the TradeDay one or my trading platform? Trading platform is Tradeify, and the back testing was TradeDay with the trade statistics and stuff. My previous point control was a 301, but is it? I'm trying to use the Tradeify's volume profile, but it's not amazing, is it? I am slightly under it, but not too far. Where is it on my... Yeah, mine's at 301 on Trading View, which would have put me at, yeah, not going to be the best feels if we push up that far. Yeah, trading view all day, can't be for charting. Yeah, I know, man. I just wanted it to be simpler, but never the way, is it? Tradeify is just fucking not good for charts, is it? TakeProfitTrader says, don't trade more than 6 contracts. So is that for minis and micros? No scaling. Yes, no, you can use 60 micros. Obviously, it'll be different on the 25k account, so double check what that is as well. But yes, it is interchangeable with micros and minis. So whatever the minis is, you can trade 60 micros for 6 minis. 3 to 30. Then yeah, just want, yeah, that's it, mate. Hit the zone though, you may be good, yeah. Yes, fingers crossed. Yeah, Ward, I found with the when I was back testing, I mean I wasn't doing it without the limits to be fair, but with the point of control plays I was limit ordering him. And I found that alright with the little back testing session that I did. I didn't try to do the market orders, but I think it's just because a lot of time off point of control you can literally get a quick tap and then a quick move away from it, can't you? So yeah, I just started doing limit orders and that worked alright with the back testing. So yeah, fingers crossed it stays alright. Nice. Bust me out. Lovely first day. Look at that. $408 on the day. Fucking buzzing, man. Buzzing. Great start. Boom. That's it. Boom, man. Sometimes you need multiple micros. That's what I'm going to do on these challenges. Trade them 2 at a time. Yeah. Okay, mate. Nice one. Yeah, I think if you're micros, I think is normally the better way to go, I think. Especially with like a 50k or definitely a 25k. Just gives you more freedom, more flexibility to move your risk around. Size up, size down. Add to positions, do you know what I mean? That market profile brown eye, man. Well happy, well happy. Best day I've had on a test account in fucking a good month or so, probably. So yes, cannot complain. So yeah, 3 winners. One winner was actually an EMA trade. I was scared to admit it because I didn't want Ward to tell me off because I said I wasn't going to do an EMA trade, but I had a little on the Nasdaq this morning. It was actually a trade I shouldn't have taken. It wasn't a strategy that I have. I was on the phone to my mum on a FaceTime, just taking the taking the ES trade from here up to here, and this is a 250 EMA that I look at on the 1 minute, and I have a strategy on the 1 minute if we have a limit order on the 250 EMA and you get a nice quick rejection off of it. And because I was on the phone and distracted, I for some reason thought I was on the 1 minute, but I was actually on the 5 minute and I was looking at the 5 minute 250 EMA. So yeah, it's not one that I should have taken, but yeah, luckily it worked out. So. Yes, good day. Trade style and your discipline will kill this. Yeah, fingers crossed, man. Fingers crossed. Yeah, but what I've got to work on is holding the trades, because as soon as we got down here, I was contemplating exiting. Do you know what I mean? I just constantly have Lewis in my head saying, "Oh, don't let profits come back against you. Joe, stop." But where I'm asking for so little, I've got to let the one-to-ones hit. All the time I'm exiting, I'm just going to be hitting 0.8, 0.7s and stuff like that, especially like market orders. So I need to let them run. Cheers, Nathan, mate. Appreciate that. Disgusting. I've got a super scamming strategy I'm working on. I'll share with you soon, bro. Mate, I don't know if I need any more strategies. No, definitely share it with me, mate. I definitely like to hear them. But I'm prone to strategy hopping, so now I've hopefully found something that is working for me. I ain't fucking switching, man. I'm staying exactly where I am. You know, I came back because I was not unhappy. Got in at the top, but you got out. Profit is profit. Yeah, mate. In and out. That's the way it's got to work. I'm never going to catch the moves if I'm looking for big moves. Like, that's one of my biggest issues that I've always had is seeing this and be like, right, I can be getting more out of this. Looking for a 1 to 2 or whatever, do you know what I mean? But I just need to focus on the small wins and lots of them. The less time I'm in the market, I think the better. I'm not sharing then. Bit of it for this for a solid month at least. Yeah, I will do, man. I will do. Gotta be comfortable with what you're doing for sure, yeah. Yeah, that's it, 100%. But when I had the 21 EMA working for me, I wasn't interested in really finding anything else. I definitely had it in my head that this might not work forever and I should probably learn something else. I was sort of thinking, yeah, I'll eventually learn order flow and stuff like that, just as a backup kind of thing, but never got around to it because what was working for me was working. So once I do find something that works for me and I like, I don't have any interest to move away from it. If as long as I'm making money, I'm happy. So yeah, 400 up for the day then. So that is eating into half of my drawdown that I was in. I was 800 in drawdown on this test account, so it's, yeah, I've got this linked up to my test account. I should do just resync. There we go. Nice. Nice. And then yeah, what I can do on this, I can go on I can say click on today. I can click on, say, this short I just took. I can go to playbook and then link it to my volume profile, put it in control. And then I can go to them playbooks and see my results on volume profile, put it in control. And you can then get your stats for that. And you can also, this all accounts. So this is my volume profile point of control on my live account. If I go to them back testing, make you think I was affiliated with them. I'm not. Go to back testing and then playbooks. Volume profile point of control. But then it's got my statistics for back testing only. Do you know what I mean? So you can then see how you're performing on back testing and see how you're performing on live trading. And yeah, tell you what, mate, TradeZella. Bam. Highly recommend it. I got in a buy, but the data wasn't real time on Tradeify, eh? Try and take any screenshots before you quit out of anything of it not being real time as a bit of proof. Exit out and restart it. Someone else had this issue. I can't remember who it was. They had the same issue, but they hadn't taken a trade, and they emailed Tradeify, and they did something and it got sorted out pretty quickly. But the fact that you've taken a trade isn't on. So yeah, if you can try and get proof that you've taken a trade because you didn't realize it was not real time. What's stuff on Tradeify for the live data? Description add-ons. I don't think you've got to do anything, to be honest. I feel like it should just be live data. You can try do the add-ons, but I'm sure it should be just on automatically. But if you've taken a trade and you've taken a loss, I would email them and say, look, I've just taken a loss because the data wasn't live. And they should hopefully correct it. But yeah, I'm sure the person that had issues with it before, that I think that was in the live stream one day. And yeah, they were asking me about it, and I said contact them, and yeah, they contacted them, and it was TakeProfitTrader's fault, and they just had to do something in the background to get it to go live. Yeah, Taco, definitely try and get any screenshots or something of proof that it's definitely not live data. Maybe get a clock up on your computer or something and then highlight over to sort of say it's not live. I mean, you should be able to do it just here. If you go to the 1 minute, you can see this bar. If you hover over it, so you've got the exact time on the bar, and then you can see at the top the actual time. So there should sort of be, there should be a difference. And yeah, just get a screenshot of that, have some sort of proof, just because they might not believe you or something, I don't know. Taco, do you have Discord, by the way? I was looking to DM you the other day, but I couldn't find you in Discord, so I assume you don't have it or you're not in the Discord. Better messing my trade right now. I mean, if you are, mate, you are. It doesn't matter, does it? Annoying, but you can't. Your platform's got to be set up and ready to go before you start taking trades. There's opportunities every day to take a trade. This isn't the only time you'll get a chance to opportunity to take a trade. I just don't want you to have that mindset, because then when you are set up, you'll have FOMO. There's opportunities every day, man. What's going to be in this buy, mate? Get out of that mindset, man. I'm good with the FOMO. It's so hard for me to watch the New York session without jumping in yet. I completely understand that I'm exactly the same, but it's so easy to get into that frame of mind. The trouble is, with FOMO, by the time you eventually taught yourself into it, that it's a good trade and you need to be in it, blah 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 blah. By the time you went there, it's the end of the move. You have to be entering at the perfect price for you, the perfect level, and if you're not, just leave it, man. Because it's then no longer an opportunity, is it? So. Yeah, have Discord. What's your are you in our Discord, the community Discord? If you are, what's your username? I couldn't find you. See if I'm in yours and yeah, refreshing the work. Oh, nice. Bernard. Nice, man. Hopefully you entered at a good price. Hopefully you entered at the level that you were going to enter at originally. Yeah, Taco, send me a DM if you're in the Discord. Giving back my London session profits too many times in New York. Yeah, Solly, for you as well, mate. It's like, what, 1, 2 a.m. where you are? Is that right? That's no time to be trading, man. I'll tell you that for a fact. I traded the Asia session once at fucking early hours and it didn't go well for me. There's a saying in there's a TV program called How I Met Your Mother. I think it's How I Met Your Mother. I mean, I'm pretty sure it is. And they have a saying in there, nothing good happens after 2 a.m. So yeah, don't be trading after 2 a.m, man. It's not going to end well. Aim for the high that was just made. Refreshing helped it be in sync. When I bought earlier, it said I was up 600. Did you close it straight away? Yeah, I've never known that to happen on Tradeify. That's the sort of thing that I feel like would happen on TradingView, not Tradeify. Weird, man. That's because price was where it was. 10 minutes ago, yeah. So I closed it. It said -1. Oh, that's not too bad. -10, okay. Yeah, that's not too bad. Could have been worse. I'm right about to see you in a bit. See you later, Ward, mate. Cheers, stopping by. It's good to see you, man. See you tomorrow if you're around. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. I'm rooting for your Taco. We're looking like we're trending up, so hopefully you're on the right side. ES didn't quite tap point of control, I don't think. It did on my charts, but not on Ward's, so ES might want to push up a bit further as well still. Yeah, I did no FOMO. Nice, Taco, nice. You two don't forget to burn them emails. Yeah, I will, man. I don't have them up on ES, do I? I don't think. Yeah, I got rid of them. Yeah, so I'll slowly get rid of them. I need to actually delete them rather than hide them, don't I? I think even subconsciously having the EMAs there will give me a bias for what's going on. So I need to get rid of them. Get rid of the bias. Last post was about the bird in the garden. No, that was a long time ago, man. What, have you got no updates on Discord since then? Discord has been very quiet recently, so I wonder if there's like a problem with it. I just assumed everyone couldn't be asked. Yeah, that was like 3-4 weeks ago maybe. There's been chat every day since then. Most days at least. Well, we're looking strong, Taco. Interest more since it was a eval, but risk the normal 10% of our profits. Profit. That's it, mate. Profit's profit. What the trade into. Profit is profit. Did you ever have your settings set up so you can't see the dollar amount? Did you find that helped at all, or did you not bother? Oh, Taka, I've just realised you said about the last post being about the bird in the garden. That's on the announcements page, not the general chat. So yeah, the last post on the announcements page was the one about the bird. So you must be part of it. No issues, hopefully. Yeah, Taka, when you can, shoot me a DM. I was going to ask you something the other week, and I'm not. Your username might be different to Taco, I think. I couldn't find you. Better for you to shoot me a DM than I shoot you a DM, because it could be a scammer if it's me sending you a DM. TakeProfitTrader have the same trade and drawdown as Apex, where it calculates from the unrealized profits. I'm not sure on Apex's rules, but it does. TakeProfitTrader does on the pro accounts, the funded accounts, up to the drawdown amount. So say you're on a 50k account, you've got 2k drawdown when you go to the funded account, the pro account. For the first 2,000 that you make, the drawdown is trading unrealized gains. So intraday, it's called intraday drawdown. So yeah, follows you up while you're in profits in a trade. That's the rule that catches everyone out, and it's the worst rule that they've got, to be honest. If they drop that rule, they've recently dropped it on the Pro Plus account, the actual live funded account. So I'm hoping in the future they're looking at dropping it on the Pro account. Because yeah, if they got rid of that rule, that would be amazing, man. So yeah, it's a bit. I mean, it is shit. I think it's alright if you're aware of it and you're trading in a way it's not going to have an effect. Basically, trading your stocks quite aggressively, not going for big moves. Basically, don't let profits go against you. If you're up 10 points, trail your stop up 6 points sort of thing, you know what I mean? Then as soon as you're past that initial drawdown of 2,000, it obviously stops there and doesn't go up any further, and obviously anything else you make is I see why people would struggle with that. Don't like letting that come back on me. Yeah, it's definitely something that's off-putting. Obviously, in the challenge, the actual the test account, there's this end of day drawdown. But the fact that it's end of day in the test account, and then as soon as you get into the pro account, it's intraday. That must catch so many people out because they just won't realise. They'll just assume it's the same. So it's definitely not ideal. And yeah, it's definitely something you've got to be aware of, and you've got to be trading specifically for that. You've definitely got to change the way you trade for the initial 2 grand drawdown. But then as soon as you pass that drawdown, you can go back to how you normally trade. But yeah, you just basically got to play it ultra fucking safe, haven't you? But the thing about it, though, it's almost like a bit of a double-edged sword. Is that the right way to say it? Bittersweet kind of situation. Like, it's a crappy rule and it catches loads of people out. But if you're aware of it and you're trading, obviously with expecting that, it might actually make you a better trader because you're then just reducing the amount of times you're taking losses. If you're trading up aggressively, you're gonna get lower RR, but it should hopefully also mean that you're taking less losses and more green days, do you know what I mean? So I wonder how many people obviously change the way they're trading a little bit, get a bit more aggressive and actually perform better trading that way, do you know what I mean? But when I get to funders, I tend to play it more safe because it's live funders. Yet I'm not mad at it yet. Yeah, it's definitely you should be playing it safer, shouldn't you? You should at least be scaling down and playing it safer on the when you get to a funded account. Never mind, I won't get as bad. I shouldn't have been chatting. Missed it. Apex has that same rule on the evals, which is more annoying, yeah. But to be fair to Apex, at least it's consistent. It's not the like I said with TakeProfitTrader, I imagine it catches so many people out because people just assume it's the same. And will just jump and trade exactly the same as they were on the fundeds, and then be caught out. But at least with Apex, it's the rules are the same, consistent. Like the trade and drawdown rules are the same. But I've never looked at Apex's rules really. I think I had a look once, and the fucking page was a fucking 500-page essay, and I thought, fuck that. Smash nice, Taco nice, man. Happy days. Great start to the evals, eh? Great start. Fair play, Taco, man. Well done. Good trade, eh? Right, now Taco's trade to come in. I think I might call it a day. I've had 3 wins for the day, so yeah, I'm pretty content where I am. I like to quit while I'm ahead. It's definitely advisable, isn't it? Quit while you're ahead. If you're having a really good day, quit, and then end it on a good day rather than giving it back. Risk 150 made 243. If I'd got to add to the position, it would have been like 2,000, yeah. Risk for like 450 risk, but didn't get a chance. That's alright, mate. That's alright, doesn't matter. Again, don't think about what could have been. Think about what you've got. Trading the 25k first and the 50k one's nice. Nice, man. Ryan, hello, mate. Hello, mate. I'm literally just about to call it a day. Poor timing. How you doing there, mate? I hope your weekend was well. Hope your trading's been going alright today. Or hope it goes alright if you're just starting your day, mate. Yes, I'm just about to call it a day. Right, I shall be back tomorrow. Normal time. Obviously the missus has got an appointment tomorrow at the hospital, so obviously all being well with that, I'll be streaming normal time. Obviously if there's any issues for any reason, then obviously I might not be streaming, but obviously I'll let you know, guys, know if I can. Yeah, should be back tomorrow normal time. Cheers for stopping by today. Appreciate you all, and yeah, take it easy if you're still trading. Yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good one, guys. See you later.